Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing Make Money with Digital Marketing Website. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to earn money online? In this video, we'll take a look at how to create a digital marketing website and then how to make money with it. We'll also provide some tips on how to drive traffic to your site. First, we'll talk about creating a digital marketing website. To make money online with a digital marketing website, you need to choose a profitable niche. There are many factors to consider when choosing a niche, such as market size, competition, and potential profits. Some examples of profitable niches for digital marketing websites include SEO services, social media marketing, email marketing, web design and development, and content marketing. Next, we'll discuss creating valuable content. Once you have chosen a niche, you need to create valuable content for your website. This content will help you attract visitors and convert them into customers or clients. There are many different types of content you can create, such as blog posts, ebooks, infographics, and video tutorials. The key is to create content that is relevant to your niche and helpful to your target audience. Then, we'll go over promoting your website. After you have created valuable content for your website, you need to promote it in order to drive traffic and generate leads or sales. There are many ways to promote a website, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. The best way to promote your website depends on your budget, resources, and goals. Next, we'll talk about making money online with your digital marketing website. One way to make money with your digital marketing website is to sell products or services. This can be done in a variety of ways, such as setting up an online store, offering consulting services, or creating and selling digital products. You can also use affiliate marketing, which is a type of performance-based advertising where you earn commission for promoting other people's products or services on your website. Additionally, you can use Google AdSense, which is a program that allows you to place ads on your website and earn money whenever someone clicks on the ad. Finally, we'll go over driving traffic to your website. The first step to driving traffic to your website is to make sure your site is optimized for search engines. You can do this by using keywords throughout your content, including in your titles and meta descriptions. Additionally, you can use social media and other online platforms to promote your website, as well as offline marketing tactics like networking and attending events. By creating a digital marketing website, choosing a profitable niche, creating valuable content, promoting your website, and also making money online through various methods, you can start earning money online. Remember to drive traffic to your website through search engine optimization, social media promotion, and other marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. Also visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online through digital marketing. Remember to keep learning and experimenting to find the best strategies for your digital marketing website. At the same time, keep yourself updated with the latest trends and strategies in the digital marketing industry.